Hey, TikTok. It's been a while. I've been back on TikTok. I had a court hearing for a fair invasion. Y'all know what a fair invasion? People who go through the martyr bus without paying. That's all it is. Stupid. It's it's petty. You know what I'm saying? They want to charge me for that. It happened last year. I think about 8 months ago, 10 months ago. They put me on probation for that, right? Now, there's a fine. I never paid it for the fine yet. I never paid that fine. So I went to court today, right? That's the building right there. I'm in the back of the building. This is downtown Atlanta. That's court on Garnett Street, 150 Garnett Street. But anyway, so I went upstairs on the 5th floor, the municipal, at the probation court, and I got pre-screened by a guy, and he really tricked me, right? He told me to step back out. I think I do talking to him, step back out, and wait for the sheriff to call us in, to call me. He didn't say us, but there were other people around. But know what I'm saying? So I was gonna use the common law in the UCC1. You know what I'm saying? Reserve my rights. And that's what I'm about to state on the record. You know what I'm saying? And have the case dismissed. You know what I'm saying? Under the common law. Cause that's what I'm gonna say. If the judge asks my name, I want to tell him. If he asked me what my name, I said, he asked me if my name is Marcus Cook. I would say yes, but not in all capital letters that implies to fictional entities. And I said, Your Honor, before we proceed, I want to ask you a question. Will you allow me to present my case as a special appearance to reserve my rights under UCC 1-308 and to invoke common law, the law of the land? And I would tell the judge, the United States Constitution grants the courts two different criminal jurisdictions. One is jurisdiction under common law, and the other is jurisdiction under a military and military law. That's a procedure. You got to say that when you present the UCC1 or the common law. But therefore, I cannot contest this case without the full disclosure and the injury party present in court physically. I am aware of the proceeding, but I don't understand the nature and cause of this action, which has been brought against me without full disclosure and injury party present. Your Honor, is this a civil action or a criminal action? Your Honor, will you waive the fines per UCC 1? And since I am the secured party creditor and the beneficiary of my trust, let me know is how they sound. Is it good? Would you think it would pass? Some of you send me some comments if you are familiar with this UCC1 and common law. Send me some comments and what y'all think about this. So I was in the court. I was in the hallway. Everybody waiting to to go inside the courtroom. But he tricked me, cause they never called my name. Cause they were calling names, but they never called my names. they never called my name. You know what I'm saying? So he tricked me. So at the end, when it was over with, then he called me, the guy who pre-screened me, right? And he took me to the courtroom, and they already talking about, go ahead and give me 4-year community service and all that, you know what I'm saying? So he took me out, and I talked to the guy who pre-screened me, and said, he asked me where I was. Cause they called everybody. He lying. Cause I was out there and waiting. I'm sitting at the bench in the lobby and waiting. You know what I'm saying? What they did, they would come out, they would call names. Cause it was already too many people was in the courtroom. So it's a trick. You know what I'm saying? It was a trick. Cause they didn't know I know my stuff, you know what I'm saying? I know my law. I know the law, you know what I'm saying? So they rescheduled. He want me to take community service. I said I will not take it. So I got to reschedule. I went downstairs to reschedule, right? The hearing, which is going to be January 27th. January 27th of next year. You know what I'm saying? So y'all send me a comment and what y'all think about this. And you think that will fly by? You think the judge will dismiss the case under this UCC 1 and common law? You know what I'm saying? My statement, affidavit statement. What y'all think about it? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Well, he just asked me, have I been in the courthouse? The officer, you know what I'm saying? He just, you know what I'm saying? Asked me, I've been in the court. You see him? Behind? I guess you see him, but yeah. If you look, the officer behind me asked me this. But yeah, y'all send me some comment and tell me you think it would pass? You think the judge might consider me as a sovereign? You know what I'm saying? And y'all just send me comments and tell me what y'all think about it. And yeah, this is the courthouse. And that's the courthouse. It's the back of the courthouse. I was going to record it in front of the courthouse, but too many people were there, so I had to come in the back, you know what I'm saying? But y'all send me comments, you know.